How do we multiply integers? So, ang rule lang natin in multiplying integers ay like signs, ang sagot ay positive. Unlike signs, ang sagot naman ay negative. Okay? So, try natin sagutan ito. So, we have negative 3 times negative 2. So, ang ginagawa lang natin dito, unahin natin muna i-multiply yung mga sign natin. So, we have negative 3 times negative 2. So, inahin natin i-multiply yung negative. Dalawang negative, ibig sabihin yan, positive. So, pag positive, pwedeng hindi na isulat yung sign. Okay? So, we have positives and then multiply the numbers 3 times 2. That is equal to 6. So, the correct answer is positive 6 or simply 6. Okay? So, next number. So, we have negative 5 times 4. So, walang sign yung 4. Ibig sabihin nun, positive. So, unlike sign, isang negative, isang positive. Therefore, the answer should be negative. Then, multiply the numbers 5 times 4. That is equal to 20. So, negative 20. So, next number, number 3. So, walang sign parehas. Ibig sabihin lang yan, positive 6 times positive 8. So, 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. Then, we have number 4, positive 9 times negative 7. So, positive at negative. So, the answer is negative. And then, just multiply 9 times 7. That is equal to 63. So, itry nyo naman itong number 5. Comment your answer. Negative 11 times negative 4.